What is up, guys? My name is Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be having a look at the top 5 altcoins that will literally explode in the next bull market. So we could see right here in the whole crypto bubble map, things have been looking fantastic, things have been looking better than ever, and the big question is the bull market back? So let's have a look at the top 5 altcoins. We're going to be having a look at Verasity, Taraxa, Raydium, Seller, and PayPay, and explain to you guys why these low cap altcoin gems can potentially explode in the next bull market. So Verasity, proof of work, click ad fraud, proof of view, click ad fraud, looking better than ever, gaming. I mean, you literally have the whole package right here. A low cap altcoin gem sitting at $64 million. We know that the all-time high for VRA was approximately right here. If we have a look in terms of market cap, $558 million. I think we could pass that $515 million in my honest opinion. With the whole burning and everything that's happening, Verasity is looking more bullish than ever. The volume is sitting at $16 million, market cap $64 million, traded at 0.063. If this thing goes 100x, the thing would the market cap would only be $6 billion. That is a very, very low considering and knowing how much money will be flowing into the bull market next bull market. So the market should happen in around 2024, 2025. I think after the halving, which should be very, very soon. But Verasity right now, overall, in the past 90 days, it's looking very, very, very juicy. And it's we are making a nice little recovery right here on this double bottom. So that's that. Moving on to number 2, we got Taraxa, guys. Taraxa, market cap sitting at $18 million. Now, the volume traded is a little bit low, but we know Taraxa, guys, it's a block DAG. We know how big this could be. I mean, right here sitting at $786,000 volume is not the highest, but the market cap is very, very low. We know how big DAG is. We saw what Caspa did. And the big question is, can Taraxa really repeat what Caspa did? So if we have a look right here in the past year, we saw that this thing was consolidating, pretty much dead. And then this thing exploded, and now we're just consolidating. The big question is, Taraxa is waiting for the next big move right now. So we're going to have to see what happens. I would like to see a little bit more volume for Taraxa. Obviously, $786,000 is not a lot. It's literally peanuts. I would love to see more considering this whole pump is happening. I would really, really love to see more moves. But sitting at $18 million is an altcoin gem in my opinion. Now, guys, before anything, none of this is financial advice. You guys should always do your own research and due diligence. And of course, don't risk more than you can't afford to lose. Having a look at altcoin number 3. We got Raydium sitting at $65 million. Raydium, why Raydium? Raydium is built on the Solana ecosystem. Solana has been pumping 89%. We know that when Solana pumps, Raydium and cryptocurrencies such as, that are built on the Solana ecosystem usually follow. We could see right here, Raydium is up 12.9% in the last 24 hours. Things are looking good. If we have a look at the last 7 days, we could see that Raydium went from 20 cents all the way to 37 cents, almost a 100% increase. So Raydium is definitely a cryptocurrency that you do want to watch, especially because it's built on Solana. Assuming Solana keeps on pumping and keeps on making moves, we could see Raydium really take it to the next move. Why am I bullish on Raydium right now? The 24-hour trading volume is sitting at $98 million. That is high. That is not peanuts. That is literally way higher and almost twice as high as the whole market cap. So obviously very, very bullish on Raydium right here. FTD 0.43%. Market cap TVL ratio sitting at 1.64%. Total value locked $40 million. Very, very bullish, very interesting. Having a look at altcoin number 4, we got Seller Network, guys. Seller Network is up 10.6% in the last 24 hours. The market cap is under $100 million. Now, the volume traded is sitting at 16 million. I would love to see more money traded on Seller Network. Now, why am I bullish on Seller Network? We saw what Matic did in the last bull market. This can really replicate what Matic did. This is another layer 2 solution that can really, really help, other cryptocurrency scales. But we could see right here, the total value locked is sitting at $89 million. Now, we know that the all-time high in terms of market cap for Matic, for Seller, was approximately $1 billion. And the market cap right here is only $83 million. So we could see a 13 to 14x if we go back to the all-time high. Assuming we smash all-time high and we continue to the upside, we could see even a 20 or a 10 to $20 billion market cap, which would be a lot. It would be a lot. It would be like a 100x return from here. So I'm very, very bullish on Seller Network. This is another altcoin gem. I mean, you could buy $1,400. You could buy 140,000 tokens. And if this thing goes to $1, which is very, very doable in my opinion, considering that the price of Matic was approximately almost 20 cents last bull market, you could probably make $140,000 from a $1,400 investment. Of course, not financial advice. Moving on to the last but not least cryptocurrency. This is not an low cap gem, but it is a cryptocurrency that can make a 20-30x return. Pepe burned 6.9 trillion tokens. They burned $5.5 million worth of tokens. The market cap is sitting at $483 million. The volume traded is sitting at $145 million. So I'm pretty bullish on Pepe, even though we had a nice little surge, a nice little pump right here. After this consolidation, I wouldn't be surprised if we see another breakout. Yes, the market cap may be $483 million, but if we have a look at the all-time market cap right here, we could see that we were at a $1.5 billion market cap, which is approximately 200x from here. So can we see Pepe really do a easy 2x from here? In my opinion, yes. I think we will see Pepe thrive, especially in the next bull market. I think big things are coming. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video.